I wandered lonely as a cloud that floats on high over valleys and hills, when all at once I saw a crowd, a host of golden daffodils, beside the lake, beneath the trees, fluttering and dancing in the breeze. This poem by William Wordsworth paints a vivid picture of the daffodils. For this, the poet has his sense organs, such as the eyes, ears, skin, tongue, and nose, to thank, because it is the sense organs that allow one to see, hear, feel, taste, and smell. In fact, sense organs make one aware of factors such as the intensity of light, sound, smell, heat, cold, touch, and temperature, as well as of pain, thirst, and hunger. These changes, called the stimuli, stimulate the sense organs and make them generate a response from the body. This response is termed as sensation. For instance, on touching a hot pan, you quickly draw your hand away. Similarly, when someone flashes light into your eyes, you not only close your eyes and cover them with your hands, but also turn your head away. Incidentally, light, sound, smell, and heat are termed external stimuli, as they come from outside an organism, whereas hunger, pain, and thirst are termed internal stimuli, as they originate from inside the body of an organism. Did you know that every sense organ responds to only a specific type of stimulus? For instance, the ears only sense sound, but not any other type of stimuli, such as smell and light. The nose, on the other hand, can detect smell, but not light and sound. Microscopic studies have revealed that the nose, tongue, and the other sense organs are made up of several different types of cells. However, only a group of certain cells are capable of receiving stimuli and are known as receptor cells or receptors. These receptor cells bear the name of the stimuli that they receive. For instance, the receptors of the tongue are termed taste receptors or gustatory receptors, while the receptors of the eyes are termed photoreceptors. On the other hand, the receptors that lie inside the nose are known as olfactory receptors, and those located under the skin are known as tangoreceptors. Similarly, receptors located inside the ears are called auditory receptors or phonoreceptors. To understand how receptors work, let us take the example of the ear. As soon as sound waves reach the ear, it channels them to the auditory receptors. These receptors convert the waves into electrical impulses that are transmitted to the brain. Upon receiving these impulses, the brain analyzes and interprets their meaning, which allows you to respond accordingly. For instance, if the sound is loud, you will immediately cover your ears. However, If someone tiptoes into your room, you will not respond as the sensory capabilities of the human ear is low. The term sensory capability refers to the ability of an organ to respond to stimuli of a particular intensity, and it differs from one animal to another. The ears of a dog, for example, have a higher sensory capability than that of human ears. Hence, they are able to hear even sounds generated by tiptoe. Interestingly, while humans and dogs have ears as a sense organ to detect sound, lizards and snakes use their tongues for hearing, smelling, and touching. On the other hand, amphibians, such as the frog, don't use their tongues for hearing or smelling, but instead to capture their prey. Thus, different animals use the same sense organs for different purposes. Sense organs, which have different uses, thus enable living organisms to become aware of their environment.